What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and you are all doing fantastic because you made it to day 11, so let's get started. Alright, I can see that you're all chomping at the bit, you're all ready to go, so just going to hand you over to Coach Robin.
Alrighty, so it is Thursday, and if it's Thursday, it means that we're hitting the pavement again. And we are in our second week. Our workout is still the same. Don't worry guys, it's going to change on Saturday, so don't worry about that. But we're still doing our walk 3, run 1 for 4 segments today, our 16-minute workout. But don't worry, that's going to change. So let's I'm going to talk a minute about breathing. That's right. I'm going to talk about breathing. So I mentioned it on our very first day of training, but it's been a little while. So I just want to remind you that the pace that you're running at is a very comfortable conversation pace. So if you're not running with anyone, which you probably aren't at this point, just make sure that you could talk and not be out of breath while you're running. So just practice talking to yourself for a minute. I do it all the time. It's fun. It's amazing what answers I get back. So anyway, go ahead and just talk a little bit while you're running and make sure that you don't get out of breath, because that's the conversation pace that we want to have. So I'm going to do my warm-ups, and then I'm going to hit the road, and then I will be back after my cool downs. All right, so that was great. I did my warm-up, I did my workout, and I did my cool down, and now I am ready to go home and fuel my body. It deserves it, but I'm gonna fuel it with the right foods, you know that. So you guys, you probably wanna do the same thing too. So, just a nice little snack with, the right amount of protein and carbs and healthy fats to, fuel our bodies. So that is something I could just remind you of. If you are working out, so our workouts are only 16 minutes right now, but when they get longer, then we're gonna have to make sure that we fuel appropriately. Right now, whatever fueling schedule you're on is probably fine, but I try to time my workout so that I eat a little bit something before, I do my workout, and then I eat something afterwards. But I do make sure that I give it a good 2.5 to, no more than 3 hours in between fueling. So go fuel yourself up, and tomorrow is another rest day, and I am going to come at you with some information about what you should wear when you run, okay? Because that helps too. So every little thing helps. So I'm going to talk more about that tomorrow and during our rest day, and I will see you then.
Once again, I just want to say you all did fantastic, and we will see you tomorrow in day 12. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.